Hi guys, this is Arvind. Welcome back to Python Fundamental Series. So in this video, we are going through Python variables. What is variable? So basically variable is a memory location where we can store values. In Python, the data type will be identified according to the data that we provide. So you declare variable, and if you provide as an integer, it will take as an integer value and data type will be integer type. If you provide a string, it will be string type. So declaration, how we can declare variable in Python. So there are certain limitation as per the Python standards. So we can define variables with letters or with underscore, but with not numbers. You can end with the numbers. We can see it in the demo as well. So how do we assign variables? There are two ways to assign value to the variable. One is assigning a single value and multiple assignment as well. So let's move on to assigning a single value. Before that, let me move on to Python console so that we can understand what is there. I'm not going to now any ID like Jupyter or any Visual Studio Code. I'll just click on Python, what we installed last time in the last video. Just click on this one. It will open a shell. In this one, we'll start with writing a simple code. So first, I'll write print. So print is a method which accepts some string value. So I'll provide here like hello world. So this is my first Python code. So I'm just press enter. It will print the hello world. So it will take simple parameter, string parameter, and it will print. So this is a built-in function provided by Python. So now we'll come back to the declaration of variables. So let's assume like assigning a single value. I'm assigning a single value like a equal to 10. So I'm not defining the data type now, but when I print or type of a, so it's providing integer. So I have assigned the value type of int. Let's assume like a name, another variable. I'll take it. I'll provide like Arvind. So I know this is a string. So let's type check the type of name variable. It's a type of string. So similarly, you can type like val flt equal to 1.023, and if I type of flt, it will be float. So we are just declaring the variable and assigning the value. In the runtime, it will uh, take the proper data type. Okay, so this is a way of assigning a single variable. Let me go through some other stuff as well, interesting stuff. Suppose I have like how it works in the Python. Suppose I have like I add 1 plus 1, so it adds automatically. It the Python understand like 1 plus 1 it should be 2. We are not adding any, or we are not calling any functions, because it knows like the type of the variable or value we declared. This is the int, that's why it's adding. Let me check like a plus b. Can you guess what it gives? It simply concatenate the value, because it understand like the variable value we declared a and b or string, so it will concatenate. Also we can see like if I do with different types like 1 and a, it throws syntax error, because these are, I mean, both are like whatever the given values are the different data types. One is integer and a is string, so it throws error. Okay, apart from this one, we can assign multiple variable also, sorry, multiple values also, that we can see it over here. So let's assume like a equal to b equal to c equal to 10. So I can, if I print a also 10, print B also 10, print C also 10. So basically it's assigned the same value for all the three variables. Okay, so if I want to assign different values like x, y, z, x, y, comma, z equal to 10, comma, 20, comma, 30. So what will happen? So if I print x, it gives 10 because the assigned value in the order. So whatever the variable declaration I have done here, and also assigning value in the order. So the value of x assigned to 10, value of y assigned to 20, and value of z assigned to 30. Let's see one more interesting. So x comma y comma z, again I'm defining the variable, three variables, and I'll assign print a different data types 20 comma 30. Now if I print x, a, the value is a. So there is no matter of what value you will provide for the variable in multiple assignment, but the order is very important. So if you provide whatever the value you provide in the order, that will assign to the particular variable. So that's all about today's topic on Python variables. Thank you for watching this video.